the journey from a software development background to a leadership role in IT infrastructure might seem like a leap, but it's more of a natural evolution. We're talking about transforming your deep understanding of IT development into high-level maintenance oversight. This isn't just about switching fields. It's about leveraging a unique skill set to bridge a crucial gap. We bridge the gap between logical software architecture and physical infrastructure by repurposing development logic into high-level maintenance oversight. Think of it this way: the same meticulous approach you apply to crafting elegant code can be directly applied to designing robust, resilient physical systems. It's about recognizing the structural parallels between writing clean, efficient code and designing robust, resilient physical infrastructure. Our technical proficiency in coding isn't just a past skill, it's a foundation. This proficiency allows us to master complex network diagnostics, to intelligently integrate CCTV systems, and to meticulously optimize server racks. We're not just performing these tasks. We're establishing a rigorous professional standard that fundamentally transforms a background in programming into senior-level engineering leadership. This isn't merely about troubleshooting, it's about preemptive problem-solving. We reclaim the logic used in software debugging and apply it to anticipate and prevent hardware failure points. It's a proactive stance that dramatically reduces downtime and enhances system reliability. Your programming background isn't a limitation. It's a unique competitive advantage in a field often dominated by hardware specialists. You bring an analytical, systematic perspective that others might lack. This enables you to see the bigger picture, to understand the intricate interplay between software and hardware, and to design solutions that are not just functional, but also scalable and maintainable. This unique perspective allows for a more holistic approach to problem solving and system design, setting a new benchmark for excellence in the field. Let's delve into the logic of physical systems. We apply algorithmic thinking to optimize server rack airflow and cabling, aiming for maximum uptime. This isn't just about tidiness, it's about creating an environment where every component operates at peak efficiency, minimizing heat and maximizing performance. It's about understanding the flow, the connections, and the potential bottlenecks. Much like optimizing a complex algorithm, every cable, every connection, every airflow pathway is a variable in an equation designed for optimal performance and longevity. This level of detail-oriented optimization is a direct translation of development principles into the physical world. We treat network diagnostic protocols not just as tools, but as live scripts that require constant optimization and refinement. Just as a software developer continuously refines code for better performance and fewer bugs, we continuously refine our diagnostic approaches to ensure the quickest, most accurate identification and resolution of network issues. This agile approach to diagnostics means that our systems are always evolving, always improving, and always performing at their best. Furthermore, we use version control principles to document and manage physical asset lifecycles and hardware iterations. Imagine applying Git principles to your server racks and network devices. Every change, every upgrade, every maintenance action is meticulously documented, creating a clear, traceable history. This ensures accountability, simplifies troubleshooting, and provides invaluable data for future planning and procurement. It brings a level of organizational rigor to hardware management that was once exclusive to software development. Now, let's talk about strategic engineering leadership. This is about transitioning from individual technical tasks to high-level oversight of mission-critical ICT environments. It's moving beyond the how to focus on the why and the what if. It's about designing overarching strategies that ensure the resilience, security, and scalability of entire IT infrastructures. This transition requires a broader perspective, an understanding of business objectives, and the ability to translate technical needs into strategic outcomes. We establish rigorous professional standards that treat physical maintenance with the precision of software deployment. This means implementing standardized procedures, conducting thorough testing, and maintaining comprehensive documentation for every piece of hardware and every maintenance operation. It's about bringing the same level of quality assurance to the physical world that you would expect in a release candidate for a major software application. This elevates the perception and execution of physical maintenance, making it an integral part of the overall IT strategy. Effective leadership also means managing diverse technical teams by speaking both the language of the developer and the on-site technician. This ability to communicate across disciplines is paramount. You can articulate the logical constraints to the hardware team and explain the physical limitations to the software team, fostering a collaborative environment where everyone understands the bigger picture and their role within it. This dual fluency ensures seamless communication and more integrated, effective solutions. The roadmap to senior authority in this hybrid domain involves several key steps. First, mapping out the certification path that validates your hybrid expertise in both software and systems engineering. This might include certifications in cloud platforms, network security, or specific hardware technologies, complementing your existing development credentials. These certifications provide formal recognition of your expanded skill set and open doors to advanced opportunities. Next, building a career portfolio that highlights successful transitions from logical architecture to physical reliability. This means showcasing projects where your development background directly contributed to robust hardware solutions, optimized network performance, or enhanced system uptime. Quantify your impact with metrics and demonstrate how your unique perspective led to tangible improvements. This portfolio becomes a powerful testament to your capabilities. Finally, securing senior-level influence by demonstrating how integrated ICT maintenance drives long-term business scalability. This is where you connect your technical prowess to strategic business outcomes. Show how your meticulous approach to infrastructure design and maintenance reduces operational costs, mitigates risks, and enables the business to grow and adapt to future demands. By framing your expertise in terms of business value, you elevate your role from a technical expert to a strategic partner. This integrated approach not only strengthens your position, but also drives the organization forward, making you an indispensable asset in the evolving landscape of technology leadership.